We told you we were going to show you something cool. Check this. We come up with the grand total. Good work, Dan. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new episode on our 2015 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road Stryker Off Road Design that we picked up from COPART just a few short weeks ago. In the last episode, you saw us get this sucker all jacked up with that huge 6-inch lift. Everything is coming together 100% perfect. We're really excited about this truck. We've got a few things that we want to do, some cool things that we want to show you. We want to take you along with us. But first things first, let's bust out the green machine. Let's get this thing all cleaned up so we can get it all shined up. We can pull it in the shop and get the inside cleaned up. That's enough talking. Let's get to work. Man, we got that buffer out, we got the polish out, we got this thing looking really, really good. It's looking like a big black lagoon. Really like the way that it all shined up on the outside. The driver's side looks really good. We painted most of that passenger side, so we may have to buff a little bit on that, but we're mostly focused right now on this driver's side, but the inside of this thing is really, really dirty. We brought out the little steam cleaner, gonna get it cleaned up on the inside. Take a look at that inside. That is really, really dirty. And this little steam cleaner is gonna make it look 100% better. So let's go ahead and fire it up and warm it up and start some steam cleaning. Man, who would have thought that this truck would have cleaned up the way that it did? The inside of this thing is looking 100% amazing. Maybe not completely spotless just yet, but for an initial clean, it's looking really, really, really good. Today was a monumental day on this truck. If you watch back through some of our videos, you know we wrestled with that frame for a few good long days getting everything straightened up. We took this truck out to the alignment shop today and everything turned out 100% amazing. We could not be happier than the way things turned out. But you know what? This is also a price reveal video. I know everybody wants to know, how much did you pay for this Stryker Off Road Design over at COPART? And the winning bid on this truck was $12,200. COPART tacked on another $1,268. So for $13,468, we got to bring this sucker home. So we want to continue cleaning it up, cleaning up the inside, cleaning up the outside, getting everything shined up and slicked up and looking like the Stryker Off Road Design that it is. So that's enough talking. Let's get back to work. We told you we were going to show you something cool. Check this little guy out. knowing what this truck looked like when we picked it up, and knowing all the parts that we bought, because we bought a lot of suspension parts, we bought the new fender and the new door, and all that came from Toyota. We bought a new front bumper, we bought a new fender flare, we bought the bull bar to go up front, we upgraded the brakes on this thing, we got the drilled and slotted rotors to kind of help it stop a little bit better. Man, it stops on the dime. What do you think about the exhaust cutout? Would you put one of those on one of yours? I mean, this one already had the cutout, just none of the wiring. The cylinder and everything was there, but not much else. So just bought a little momentary contact switch that we can reverse that. It's like a little window motor that rolls up and down. That was pretty cool. But the whole entire parts bill for this thing, including that big rough country lift, was $3,923. But just naming off all those parts, and you remember that one wheel we paid $477 for, which was a lot, you know, for one single wheel, but we couldn't just scrap the other three. We really think that we've done pretty good in this truck. All the work that went into it, all the time, it's probably the most fun that we've had rebuilding one in a while. Probably since we worked on that 2001 Tacoma about a year ago, when it took a really long time. This truck took a good amount of time and a good amount of effort, and the inside, from where the inside was to where it is now, is absolutely amazing. So if you take the purchase price, you take the fees, you take all the parts, and then you take a little bit of money for paint, we come up with a grand total of $17,966 in this truck. Do you think that's too high? I think it's a pretty good deal. I mean, it's a nice truck. It's a 2015. It's got 108,000 miles. It's got a clean title, believe it or not. It's an absolute awesome truck. We finally got the inside cleaned up. We got the outside cleaned up, so we might as well drive it around and get this sucker dirty. If you like this truck, if you like this content, drop us a like. It really helps the channel out. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. We'll catch you next time in the 1969 Ford F100. We're out.